Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we will be creating the part 1-14 front leaf spring hanging bracket of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and let's build the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So first off, let's have the template. This episode, we're going to be doing part 1-14, front leaf spring hanger bracket. Okay, so let's do the right hand side. This is going to be very interesting. Okay, so this is like a small circular piece, big circular piece, but lined down there, but it bends halfway through on the side. So we'll probably do the side portion first. Because try to do the other angles. Let me just get into it. So it's going to be 3 mil wide. So let's do a line here. So just cross there, down, angle, down, cross, up, and up. There we go. That's not quite. Let me fix that. There we go. Okay, so it's going to be 3 mil wide. Let me just zoom in. There we go. Smart dimension. It's going to be 3 mil. It's 3 mil all the way through. Yes, it is. 3 mil. Now, this line is actually parallel. Okay, let me do this point should do actually. There we go. It's actually, so this side here matches this side, so it's bent exactly like that. Now, this is the fun part. What are the measurements? We've got some measurements missing out of this one. Okay, so we've got. Okay, it's 41. Let's have a look at something. Let's do it from here. From here to here, it's going to be 41 plus 9.5. You've got to raise up here 9.5 plus raise down here 13. Wow. What the heck? Let me delete that bit. Let me take this down. That went weird for some reason. Try that again. Can't remember what the measurements were now. That line and that line. So it's 9.5 plus 41 plus 13. 63.5. Perfect. The only thing is, what is the measurement of there? It doesn't show. It does not show. Okay, that one there, I'm going to say it's equal. That one there is equal. Nope, that didn't work. Okay, let me try something, because it's going to be 3 mil through there too. So if we go from this line to this line, smart thing. That one to that one, it's going to be 3 mil. But the thing is, what is this one going to be, or what's this one going to be? So it's 14, so 9, 18, 19, so it's got to be more than 19. What is that measurement at the moment? Yeah, that's way out. That is way out. It does not show Yeah, there's a lot of measurements missing on this one, so have a quick look at something. Okay, I'm going to take a wild guess, just comparing this part here with the hole. That's not what. That one. That one. What is it? Oh boy. I'm going to take this as 13 here. Let me try something. It's doing the weird thing. So that one goes there. There we go. Let me just delete that one. There we go. This one to this one is going to be 13. Actually, that's about right. The hole down here is about the same width as this here. So, okay, so radius, no, not radius, the thickness, extrude, mid-plane, it's going to be radius 26, radius 13, so it's going to be diameter 26, and done. Okay, now the fun part. Let us do this one. So first off, I'm going to put the holes in. Ooh. Hold on. This can be interesting. Let's do this one. Let's do this one here. Let's put a circle there. Circle there. Let's put, you know what, let's put both circles. Okay, so we got that one, and that one is going to be, bang, beautiful. Yeah, I can change that, it's fine. Okay, so let me do this circle first. That's going to be 14. This is going to be 9.5 by 2. That's 19. That's good. So that means that one there is going to be 9.5. Perfect. That's in the correct position now. Now we want this circle, which is 10. This circle, which is 13 radius, so 26 diameter. This point to this point will be 13. Bingo. That's correct width there, correct width there. Nice. That works out good. Ooh. Yeah, hold on. Let's keep going. I think I might have a problem. But let's just see what happens. Let me do that one to that one. Let's do... That's tangent. That is tangent. Beautiful. Tangent. Move that one there, thank you. There's one outside, that way I know it's going to be right. Tangent. Okay, let me go to trim. Trim that one. Trim that one. Trim that one. Trim that one. Oh, trim that one. And trim that one. Now, we want this cut through. We want this out, and they are gone. So can we do that? Let's see what happens if we do a cut. Flip sides to cut. Through all. Let's just see what it does. Oh, that worked. why that confused, that surprised me. So, okay, that's looking good. That's looking like it is right. This measurement here might be a little bit out, but that's pretty much what we're after. So we want the ziggy thing. So this is where I got the measurement from. It's like 9.5 to the center, or radius. Then it's 41 to the center, then it's 13 radius. That's how I got the height. So that worked out pretty good. Okay. I think we're done. That worked out. I wasn't too sure I was going to get that done like that. So we learned together. So I think you come along. Hold on before we do. Yeah, that's all we need. That's all we need. So I think this measurement here might be out. It looks actually. Oh, let's have a look at something. Let's have a look at something. Here's a little trick too. We can go to, where is it? Evaluate, measure. From that line to that line is 13 millimeter. Not too sure. See, it's straight. Green is 13 millimeter. Height is 3 millimeter, and the distance on the slope is 13.4. So that's 13 mil. That's 13. So that's the same as that. Look on the top. Okay. Doesn't look that way. That's all. It looks bigger than that. What was that? Yeah, look at something. Just do that. 13. Move it in. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Oh. Delete that one. We don't need it. Oh, come on. Just delete it. Thank you. Almost. What? Oh. We still need sketch. I thought we were out of sketch. Yes. Okay, so we'll leave that now. We'll set the situation later on and change if we have to. So that is that project done. Oh, sorry. That is that piece done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. We learned some things today for sure. So thanks again. If you enjoyed the episode, click that like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And thank you for subscribers and welcome new subscribers. Got any comments, got any suggestions, got any tips or tricks, got anything at all? Leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.